Let me just zoom out. Not going too well this, Lee, is it?
Not really. You can see fucking key there. Look at WD-40.
What are you doing now, Lee?
Just WD-40 in it.
What's your confidence level at this moment in time?
Zero. Absolute fucking zero. But fucking WD-40 fucking.
What about that bird with skinny arms? Do you reckon that'll work?
No fucking sniff. I want him.
Lee, do you know what I'm going to do now, mate?
Yeah.
I'm going to go home to a nice warm house.
Fuck you.
Oh, it's still getting better.
Do you know what? I'll fucking get that. Took us the fucking.
Standard chart of the prequel.
And then it'll put a hook on it. If I could fucking see it, I'd get it. I need a mirror.
I've just got one to hand, mate.
I'm fucking touching the twat. The Rizzer, the Jizzer.
And this is where Lee could be going into his house. Obviously, I can't see the reflection. Drop a bit of water. There you go.
I'm gonna fucking twat her.